Hi everybody, this is Walt. I'm a sales support and a business developer here at TransGlobal.
Hi, this is Terry. I'm a PNC insurance producer here at TransGlobal.
Terry, we're seeing a lot of wildfires happening here in SoCal lately. So if that happens, how does my home insurance cover my house if it's affected or burned down by the fire?
Walt, that's a great question, especially with living in California. Wildfire is one of the biggest hazard here. And so there's actually a couple of different types of homeowner insurance.
Okay.
One of them is your own house insurance, where you live inside the property yourself. The second one is landlord's policy. This is for you when the property is rented out to someone else instead of you living there. And the third one is renter's policy. This is when if you as a tenant. And actually all three of these policy will be able to cover anything that's related to damage caused by fire or even by smoke. Now, the only difference is that homeowner and landlord will cover the entire structure to rebuild the entire home, whereas the renter will only cover the personal property that's inside the house. Since the house doesn't belong to you, it's landlord's responsibility in that case.
Right. Now, that's really interesting. Now, say I do have a house that's affected by the fire.
Okay.
So as a client, how do I best maximize the payout from the insurance company if that happens?
Okay. You know what? That's another great question, Walt, because a lot of people have been asking me about that. What we suggest is that before anything happens, we suggest you to take photos or take pictures of all the personal items that you have in the house, as well as any certain upgrades that you may have recently done, remodeling throughout the entire house. That way you can show as a proof when you need to, when the time comes to file a claim, so that you can submit to insurance company, and they should be able to take care of that for you right there and then.
Thank you, Terry, so much, for giving us all these valuable information.
You're welcome. Thank you, everyone. And if you have any questions, please call TransGlobal PNC Insurance Departments.